Hello students, in previous part we will discuss about the axial system, and in this part we will focus on the appendicular system. Appendicular system. These both systems are the part of skeletal system. This system is directly or indirectly articulates and dependent on axial system. In appendicular system, there are 126 bones found. These 126 bones then categorized into two subcategories. Means appendicular में कितनी 126 bones हैं. इन 126 बोन को दो सब ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर दिया. दो सब कौन से? गर्डल एंड द लिम्स. Girdle then we categorize into two subgroups: pectoral girdle, and the pelvic girdle. And the limbs, which we are know that two forelimbs and hind limbs. Pectoral girdle is also known as shoulder girdle or shoulder bones. Shoulder girdle. The shoulder girdle or pectoral girdle contains 4 bones. 2 bones towards the left side and 2 bones towards the right side. 2 right side and 2 left side. These 2 right side or left side are basically known as scapula or clavicle. Clavicle is another and also known as collarbone. Same towards the left side, these 2 bones are scapula and clavicle. First we will discuss on the scapula and then after that collarbone. Scapula, it is a triangular shaped bone dorsal side and it contains a spines that is fused. So firstly we discuss on scapula. It is a triangular bone which is present dorsal side or makes the shoulder bone. जो हमारे शोल्डर के बैक साइड में बोन प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दिस इज द ट्रायंगुलर शेप. इट इज अ वाइडर एंड ट्रायंगुलर शेप. इट कंटेन्स स्पाइंस, यानी इसके फ्यूज पार्टिकल होता है. फ्यूज साइज में बोन होती है, इस एरिया को क्या बोलते हैं? स्पाइंस. स्पाइन मतलब एक थॉर्न लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में कंटेन होता है. और आगे का जो पोर्शन इसको बोलते हैं एक्सप्रेस्ड, जो कि फ्यूज्ड रहता है. This is the scapula, a triangular bone, flat or wider bone which is present at the dorsal side. It is also known as, it makes the shoulder bone. It contains spines and expressed fused. This expressed fuse is known as acromion process. Acromion process. Because the collarbone, जो हमारी कॉलर बोन होती है, ये क्लेविकल या कॉलर बोन होती है, ये यहां से इसके साथ अटैच रहती है. This is the fused portion, expressed fused portion is known as acromion processes, and this is known as clavicle or collarbone. One scapula and collarbone towards the right side, one scapula and collarbone towards the left side. The clavicle just ventrally attached with the sternum and posteriorly it is attached with the expressed fused, जिसको acromion process बोलते, acromion process. The scapula, you can say the collarbone, is the definition of collarbone. Clavicle को collarbone भी बोलते हैं. It is F-shaped structure. It dorsally attached with acromion process and ventrally articulate with sternum. So both side we have the collarbones. One collarbone right side, one collarbone left side. One scapula right side and one scapula left side. So those are also two. There are four: pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle, and there are two bones are found in the pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle, these bones are present one towards the left and one towards the right. This is the sacral. We have already discussed. Sacral, which is the fused of many different types of bones. Sacral, and this one is the part of coccyx. The pelvic girdle is present in the pelvic region. Firstly, we discuss on pelvic girdle. Two bones, one towards left and other towards right side. Are found in pelvic region. Posteriorly, they are, you can say that both the bones, left or right, posteriorly they are attached with the sacral. Both the bones with sacral, and ventrally both bones are attached. This attachment site side is called pubis symphysis. Pubis symphysis. डॉर्सली यानी पिछले हिस्से से किससे अटैच है? सैक्रल से. लेकिन जो वेंट्रली अटैच है, ये वेंट्रली अटैचमेंट, दिस वेंट्रली अटैचमेंट इज नोन एज pubis symphysis. Pubis symphysis. And both the pelvic girdles are fused with the three bones: the upper bones, inner bones. These three bones are fused and form a single pelvic. The upper bone is known as ilium, and the inner bone is known as pubis. Same, इसी तरह स्ट्रक्चर यहां. This is the pubis, and these are the ilium portion, and the outer portion is known as ischium. Ischium. This is also ischium. This ischium consists a pit-like structures from where the thigh bone arises. This pit-like structure is known as acetabulum. Acetabulum. This is the pit-like structure in the ischium from where the thigh bone arises. This pit-like structure is known as acetabulum. Clear? This is the part of the girdle bones. And the next bone which are found in limbs, we have 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. These 6 bones are the girdle bones. And the next, which we'll discuss on, the limbs bone. There are 120 bones are found in limbs. There are 120 bones are found in limbs. Each limb contain 30 bones. We have 4 limbs, 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. So each limb contains 30 bones. So 30 into 4, we have 120 bones. 4 limbs. 4 limbs. In one forelimb, a long bone which is attached with the shoulder. हमारे बाजू के अंदर जो एक लंबी बोन जो हमारे शोल्डर से अटैचमेंट होती है, दिस इज नोन एज अपर आर्म के अंदर, दिस इज नोन एज हेमर, और यू कैन से हेमरस. It is 1. And in the lower arm we have 2 bones, radius and ulna. In lower arm there are 2 bones, radius and ulna. You can say that ulna. Radius is smaller than the ulna. Then 8 bones are found in wrist. हमारी जो कलाई होती है, इस कलाई के अंदर 8 bones present होती है. This is known as carpal. So we can say that there are 8 bones present in carpal. 5 bones are found in palm. हमारी जो हथेली है इसमें 5 bones होती हैं. You can also say that metacarpal. Metacarpal. 5 bones. And 14 bones are found in fingers. 4 fingers consist 12 bones, and thumb will contain 2 bones are found in fingers, known as phalanges. Phalanges. The bones which are found in fingers are known as phalanges. So we have 30 bones. One is the humerus, 1 plus 2 radius ulna in the lower arm, plus 8 wrist, plus 5 metacarpal, and 14 are found in phalanges in fingers. 14, 5, 19, and 8, 27, 29, and 30 bones. Each arm contains 30 bones. So we have 2 arms, so there are 60 bones. The next one is hind limbs, means the bones which are found in legs. Those are called hind limbs, yeah, hind limb bones. Hind limbs. Each leg contains 30 bones. Thus we have already studied each limbs. We have 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. Each limb contains 30 bones. The first, yeah, you can see that one bone is found in thigh. This is the longest bone in our body, thigh, femur. 2 bones are found in shank. Shank, कौन सी? Fibia, or you can say fibula and tibia. In shank, one bone which is present in thigh. This is the largest bone which is found in human body, femur. 2 bones are found in shank, जो हमारी पिंडली में होती है, fibula and tibia. 7 bones are found in ankle. You can say that tarsal. हथेली में थी तो उसको क्या हमने कार्पेल. हथेली मतलब रिस्ट कार्पेल, पाम जो है मेटाकार्पेल. तो इसी प्रकार से एंकल टार्सल, इसमें 7 बोन, जबकि रिस्ट में कितनी थी? 8 बोन्स. एंड देन 5 बोन्स आर फाउंड इन द मिडल या मिड ऑफ द leg, or you can say that fit. This is known as metatarsal. Carpal, metacarpal, tarsal, metatarsal. And 14 bones are found in fingers. Those are called phalanges. So you can count 14 and 5, 14, 5, 19, 26, 28, 29. 1 bone remaining. The 1 bone which is reduced from the ankle is attached with the kneecap. That is known as patella. 1 bone which is known as kneecap. हमारे घुटने की जो कैप होती है उसको kneecap, or you can say that patella. So there are 30 bones present in our legs or hind limbs. 30 plus 30, 60 bones found in hind limbs and 60 bones in forelimbs. So this is the structural skeletal system in the human body.